Mepsking, Meps, you guys have got to stop. They're trying to offer me affiliate links now. Apparently you guys missed my review of your product because I did not sign your contract, and I'm not going to say nice things about you just because you sent me free motors. So I actually installed your motors, put them on my quad, and blew them up the first day I had them. So then I wasted time in the bando replacing your shitty motors with good quality motors. So please, stop sending me mail. Stop trying to make me an affiliate. Stop telling me to make positive reviews of your bullshit. I'm not gonna fly your fucking motors. They're not strong enough for bandos. I smoked mine almost immediately, but the worst part was these rings on the bottom of the motors dig into your frame and cause damage to your carbon fiber. And it only lasted a day. One soft hit and they were done for. Look at these though. They claim that they're unibells, and my friend has the same motors that he got for free and says that they're not actually unibell. Look at that shit. Bell coming right off the top.